Construction sites are a hive of activity, a symphony of organized chaos where towering structures rise from the ground. But amidst the heavy machinery and skilled tradespeople, what if I told you the most important tool on a construction site isn't a hammer or a saw? It's not the tangible, the easily replaceable. It's something far more valuable and often overlooked. It's a sharp mind, a mind that can assess, strategize, and innovate in a constantly evolving environment. The real secret weapon of a successful construction laborer, the attribute that sets them apart, is the ability to see problems, think ahead, to anticipate challenges before they even arise, and solve them before anyone else. It's about proactive thinking, not just reactive action. Forget the stereotype, the image of the laborer as simply muscle and might. Today's laborer is the glue that holds the project together. They are the linchpin, the vital connection between different teams and tasks. It's not just about lifting, it's about knowing where that material needs to go and why. It's about understanding the flow of a project and anticipating needs, ensuring that every piece fits perfectly into the larger puzzle. Laborers prepare the site, laying the foundation for everything that follows, move materials, ensuring that the right supplies are always available at the right time, operate tools, mastering a wide range of equipment, to tackle diverse challenges and handle countless tasks that keep everything running smoothly and efficiently. Without them, the project grinds to a halt. Progress stagnates, and deadlines become impossible to meet. They're the ultimate utility players, adaptable and resourceful in the face of any obstacle, enabling everyone else to do their job better. They create an environment of support and collaboration. It's about seeing what needs to be done before anyone asks, taking initiative, and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. This job demands awareness, foresight, and a genuine desire to build something real, something that will stand the test of time. The construction site awakens before the rest of the world. Your day starts early, often before the sun even thinks about rising. It's a commitment, a dedication to building something tangible. Boots laced tight, a steaming coffee in hand, the fuel for the day ahead. You're ready to face whatever challenges the site throws your way, ready before sunrise. It's about being prepared both mentally and physically. Safety briefings set the tone for a secure and productive day, understanding the risks, mitigating potential hazards, and ensuring everyone goes home safe. Preparation is key to preventing accidents and fostering a culture of well-being on the job. Setting up the workspace, clearing debris from yesterday's progress, and meticulously organizing materials. Every action is deliberate, contributing to a streamlined workflow. As the day unfolds, you might find yourself mixing mortar, ensuring the perfect consistency for laying bricks or blocks. It's a craft in itself, requiring precision and attention to detail, or perhaps hauling bricks, moving essential materials to where they're needed most. It's demanding work, but it's the backbone of any construction project. Maybe you'll be tasked with cutting blocks, shaping the building's components with accuracy and skill, always thinking ahead, always moving with purpose, anticipating the needs of the team and proactively addressing challenges. You're the right hand for skilled trades, providing essential support and ensuring they can perform their specialized tasks efficiently, keeping them supplied with the right tools and materials, and maintaining an efficient workflow on the site. Your organizational skills are crucial to the project's success. The afternoon could mean switching gears entirely, adapting to new priorities and challenges as they arise. Flexibility is key in this dynamic environment. Perhaps grading the site, preparing the ground for the next phase of construction, or operating equipment, skillfully maneuvering machinery to move materials and shape the landscape, or even learning new skills, expanding your knowledge and capabilities to become an even more valuable asset to the team. Continuous learning is essential for growth in this field. Precision matters. Being off by even an inch can derail the entire project, leading to costly delays and rework. Accuracy is paramount in every task you undertake. Cleanup is just as important as setup, ensuring the site is safe and organized for the next day's work. Tools organized and accounted for. The site secured against potential hazards and unauthorized access. A clean site is a safe site, minimizing the risk of accidents and promoting a positive work environment for everyone. Every task from start to finish reflects your professionalism, your commitment to quality, and your dedication to doing the job right. You leave tired, muscles aching, but with the deep satisfaction of knowing you've contributed to something real, something lasting, through honest hard work. That's the life of a modern laborer. diverse, demanding, and deeply rewarding. It's not just about muscle, reliability is what gets you hired. Show up every day, ready to work, and you're already ahead. A teachable attitude matters more than experience. Foremen want people eager to learn. Basic tool skills help, but willingness to ask questions and learn is key. Experience with equipment like skid steers or forklifts makes you even more valuable. But the real difference maker? Situational awareness. Spot problems before they happen, anticipate needs, and keep the site running smoothly. These are the skills that build a long, successful career. It's about being proactive, not just following orders. Let's be clear. This job is undeniably tough. A real test of endurance. It demands a lot from you, both physically and mentally. You'll face the biting cold, the scorching heat, battling the elements day in and day out. Expect sore muscles, aching joints, and very real risks that come with working on a construction site. Safety is paramount, but vigilance is always required. To thrive in this environment, you need resilience, mental toughness, and an unwavering spirit to keep going even when things get difficult. It's about pushing through challenges and staying focused on the task at hand. But despite the challenges, the rewards are very real. High demand for skilled workers means good pay, often exceeding expectations, and a level of job security that's hard to find elsewhere. Construction is absolutely fundamental. It's the backbone of our society. People will always need buildings to live and work in, and roads to connect them. This need ensures the industry's continued importance and stability. There's immense pride in seeing what you've built with your own hands, knowing that your work, your contribution, will last for decades, shaping the landscape and serving communities for generations to come. It's not just a paycheck you're earning. It's a profound sense of accomplishment, a tangible result of your hard work and dedication. For many in the field, that feeling of contribution and pride is worth far more than any amount of money, and the potential for career growth is very real. Starting as a general laborer is just the beginning of a potentially long and fulfilling career path. You can learn a valuable trade, move up the ranks to become a foreman or supervisor, or even take on the responsibility of managing entire projects from start to finish. The construction industry rewards hard work, dedication, and ambition, recognizing those who consistently go the extra mile. Success isn't solely based on degrees. Practical experience and a willingness to learn are equally valued. Ultimately, your future in this industry is firmly in your own hands. If you're willing to commit to continuous learning and consistently put in the hard work, then truly the sky's the limit in terms of what you can achieve. That's the unvarnished truth, the reality of working in construction. Robots and AI are changing construction, but they can't replace human problem solving. The future belongs to those who can adapt, think critically, and work with technology. Communication and teamwork are more important than ever. Embrace new tools, tablets, GPS, even drones, as force multipliers, not threats. The best laborers will bridge the gap between digital plans and real-world results. If building something real excites you, talk to people in the field and learn more. This isn't just a job, it's a chance to build your future. Are you ready to pick up the tools?